Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you're updated on all of our new videos, and you can fill out the form in the description below with any questions. Today, we're talking about dash cams, driver qualification files, and MVRs, and how those relate to corrective action training. So what about dash cams and managing the data you get from them? Well, many carriers figure I'll just install it, record stuff, and if there's an accident, I'll have the footage. Well, technically you can do that and that alone, but as a carrier, you should really be using it to strengthen your safety program by analyzing the data for all your drivers on a regular basis. Bypassing this leaves safety gaps and increases liability because dashcam footage and ELD records are used in lawsuits all the time. Don't get me wrong, the footage can benefit you in those lawsuits, but it can also end up working against you by proving driver negligence. It's best to monitor footage, especially when drivers are getting repeated safety alerts. On a similar note, hiring the right drivers in the first place is just as important as monitoring and changing bad habits. And it all starts with good driver qualification management. When doing driver qualification files, there are several things that you need to stay on top of, and this includes looking at a driver's motor vehicle record, or MVR, before they are hired and then annually after that. Since traffic citations are recorded in state motor vehicle records, they are a crucial tool for carriers to assess a driver's safety performance and help identify high-risk driving behaviors that, if overlooked, can lead to a whole other list of problems for you as a carrier. Basically, you want to know as much about the driver as you can to avoid bringing on someone who could potentially damage your reputation and CSA scores. But if you do find yourself with a high-risk driver, just know there are steps you can take to fix the issue, which basically involves implementing a corrective action plan. For more details on dash cams, driver qualification management, and MVRs, or corrective action training, check out the links above or below, or fill out the form if you have any questions for our compliance specialist. That's all I've got. Again, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and send any questions using the form link in the description.